The drone market has increased significantly over the last couple of years, and it's become evident that the business demand for drone flying is increasing significantly. Legislation now says that they have to be qualified pilots, and so this was a good opportunity both to support local businesses by getting their qualifications and obviously form a good partnership with Ruster to grow the activity in this area.
Well, we've been going now for 3 years, and we see the market expanding rapidly, and one way to capitalise on that is to partner up with a professional institution such as Wolverhampton University and take it in that direction to show more credentials to our courses that we're offering.
Well, one of our unique selling points, of course, is that we're all ex-military instructors within Ruster, and before our students come to us, they do up to 15 hours of learning management system. Then they come to us for a 2.5-day course, which of course we've been running here in Wolverhampton and in Telford.
Well, we've trained lots of entities over the last 3 years, from lots of police forces, MOD units, to major film production and TV companies, and we're seeing lots of entities now getting involved. So the question is not what can drones do, but what they really can't do.